it's for the first time when we all sit together like this, uh, as people involved in curriculum implementation and management, starting from ECD up to grade 12, as well as our second management. We are making history today because we feel that education is a system, not compartments within the system. So, as we are here talking about early grade reading, maybe somebody from FET would say, so what is it that I have to do with a foundation phase because I'm grade 10 to 12? Maybe another one will ask another question. Here we've got coordinators, people that are responsible for subjects, both in GET and in FET. It means the entire department is in this house. If you talk curriculum and curriculum management, the people that are key in delivering curriculum, whether they come in terms of support or they come in terms of management, everybody is in this house. So, colleagues, here we are saying, as the department, let us look at the department as a system. Everybody needs to understand and know that if I'm in grade 8, what is happening in grade 1? If I'm in grade 12, what is happening in grade R? Because we are a system. Anything that should have happened in any of these grades will definitely affect the entire system. So it's better off to sit in this fashion and say, what is it that we can do to look at aspects around specifically reading, because that subject, which is literacy, serves as a foundation for learning. It means if our learners can get it right at the level of the foundation, but also at the level where we are saying they are now starting to understand the issues around literacy, the issues around reading. What is our role as a system? So here, as we move on today, tomorrow, the third day, we should have come up with something that we are saying as a system in KZN. These are the things that we feel they are important to implement. How are we going to work together as this collective without any one of us saying, I don't belong there, but we belong to this collective, all of us. So, colleagues, I want us to look at issues to start off, issues around literacy. As I've indicated, that literacy, language, its foundations for learning. So once we get everything right there, then everything will fall into place. Let us look at the vision of the department to say, what is it that we are working towards, all of us? We are now in 2026. And if we are in 2026, we are 4 years away from 2030. So everything that we are going to discuss in this house, in this room, we must reflect how far are we from the goals of NDP. When National Development Plan put those goals, then the Department of Education also put its own goals, aligning itself. How far are we from that? We are saying as a Department of Education, by 2030, 4 years from now, South Africans should have access to education and training of highest quality. I've highlighted that, of highest quality, leading to significantly improved learning outcomes. The performance of South African learners in international standardized tests should be comparable to the performance of the learners from countries at a similar level of development and with similar level of access. So that's where we want to see ourselves in 2030. But now we need to sit back and reflect. How far are we from what we have set for ourselves? also still looking at the goals of 2030 Vision 2030. We are also guided by the action plan that we put some time ago. We think it was in 2012 when we start talking about Action Plan 2012 towards realization of Schooling 2030.